Hello everybody, here is a very nice algebraic expression of order 4. We have x4 equal to x minus 1 over x minus 1 whole raised to power 4, and we are interested to find the value of x. In order to solve to find the value of x, if we will directly calculate it, may get some problem. In order to solve this problem, what we have to arrange this equation. First of all, we can write it as x4 minus x minus 1 whole raised to power 4 is equal to 0. Okay, now further what we have to do next, we know that it is very interesting relation, and we can rewrite it as it is simply x square minus x minus 1 square whole square equal to 0. Okay, now we have a very interesting algebraic formula that what formula we have? We simply have that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. This formula will be utilized here. From here in this one, what is our a? A is simply our x square, and what is b? B is simply our x minus 1 whole square. By using this formula over here, what we have to do next, simply by using this formula, we can rewrite it as it is simply x square minus x minus 1 whole square multiplied by x square in plus x minus 1 whole square equal to 0. Now we will simply open the formula a minus b whole square. It is simply what we have, x square minus a square plus b square minus 2ab. This is the formula of a minus b whole square. Similarly, what we simply open x square plus x square plus 1 minus 2x, it is equal to 0. Now this is x square and this is minus x square. These two terms will be cancelled simply, and what we have here, it is simply minus 1 plus 2x is the remaining factor here only. And what we have, this is x square plus x square. It is simply 2x square plus 1 minus 2x is equal to 0. Okay, now we have here very two interesting factor. If I will simply deal case number 1 from 1. This is our first case number 1, that is minus 1 plus 2x is equal to 0. From here we know that simply we can calculate x is equal to 1 over 2. This is the very simple value of x1. We can easily calculate. Now we will move towards our second case number 2. What is our second case? Second case is simply 2x square plus 1 minus 2x is equal to 0. In order to calculate the value of x here, we will simply use our quadratic formula, that is x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. It is our quadratic formula. Okay, now what is b? B is simply 1, b square is 1, and minus 4ac. It is simply, if I will solve the discriminant, what we have in the discriminant simply, that is b square root of d is my 1 minus 4ac, 4 2's minus 4 into minus 2 into 2. This is a is 2 and c is minus 2. Okay, from here what we will get simply, d is 1 plus 1, d is simply minus b square. It is simply, oh sorry, I will again here our b is minus 2. b is minus 2. b is minus 2. So d is actually, what is our d? d is actually minus 2 square, that is 4, minus 4ac. 4 2s are 8, minus 8 simply, over 2. Okay, this is our discriminant. If I will rewrite it, it is simply minus 4 square root, and by taking square root of this, we know that square root of minus 1 is simply iota. Okay. By using these factors, d is our d will be minus 2 iota simply. Okay. Now what will be the value of x? X will be simply minus of minus 2 plus minus b square minus 4ac is minus 2. This is 2 iota. This is 2 iota over 2a, that is 4. Okay, what we have get here, 2 plus minus 2 iota over 4. We can write it as what will be the our x2? x2 is simply, by taking 2 as a common, it will be 1 plus iota over 2. And what will be the x3? x3 is simply 1 minus iota over 2. So these are the values of other x. So we have here 3 roots for this one. 1 plus iota over 2, 1 minus iota over 2, and initially we also have calculate one value of x here, that is 1 over 2. So we have 3 roots for the equation, our given equation x4 is equal to x minus 1 whole raised to power 4. Thank you very much for watching the video.